So it's going from the bottom, right here. You see it? The next compartment over the top, and there's a hole in this wall at the bottom. It comes out here. So I had to make the exit and the second overflow a little bit lower because it was overflowing, and I had to, well, just to be sure, put the motor about a quarter with less power. So I'm going to try it like this. All my designs are in Onshape. I am not sponsored, don't want to be sponsored. I have enough money, just want to help you guys out and hope you help other people out. And so they're in public and Onshape for free. But I do have to say Onshape is a brilliant program. It's unbelievable. Unbelievably good and fast. So I'm going to try this, and I will let you know how it works out, and if there's anything that we can improve. I made the walls 0.1 millimeter thicker. I found after a while they were bulging. So let's see how this one works. This was Printer World. Copy and improve if you can.